Okay guys, it's alive and it is 9 p.m. and I just finished installing everything back. I have new silicone couplers and it's running with new oil, and let's see how it goes, how it runs. Does it has more power? Less power? I do not know, but let's see how it goes. It's a long day. I'm very tired, and I will pick up everything, close up everything, and keep all my tools. And well, long day, good job. Yep. And now I have to keep all my tools. You see all my tools are everywhere. I have to keep all of them, and that's the tiring part. See, fixing the car is not that tiring, but I think keeping the tools are. Okay, so I'll come back another day. I'll tell you how it runs after the sandblast or walnut blast to the valves. It purrs okay, no hiccups. We've got to check if there's any check engine lights. I don't think so. It's running very smooth. I'll see how it goes, and I'll just too tired. I'll just get back home and rest, and I will keep everything and keep you guys updated on how it runs. Alright, I'm signing off here. Good day. Good night. Well, if you like the channel, like the video, like and subscribe, and give a thumbs up. Okay, thank you very much. Good night.